Hello, I'm Dr. Janet Goodall, and I'm the Program Director for the Professional Doctorate in Education at Swansea University. This program takes place over 6 years. For the first 4 years, students study one module a year, which is taught at Swansea in the summer for 1 week. And over the rest of the year, students complete work related to that module. The modules cover issues such as research methods in education at doctoral level, education for equity, leadership in education, and policy issues. Students then move on to a thesis element, where over the next 2 years, students comprise and write a thesis at doctoral level. The Ed.D. is at the same level as any other doctorate and allows you to use the title Doctor before your name and the initials Ed.D. after your name. This is an appropriate degree for anyone who is a leader in education or aspiring to be a leader in education, both within schools and within education more generally. If you'd like more information about the Ed.D., please use the contact details on this page. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.